What's up, friends? Welcome back to the channel. Thursday, April 3rd, and we are back at Costco with another great video. Today's video, what's new at Costco? Costco's new arrival, and it's going to be an exciting video. So many new products here at the warehouse. Let's not waste any time and get into the video. And starting the video off, in the number 1 spot, we have the super popular game from the TV show The Price is Right. Now, this game is called Plinko. It's great for adults and children for the ages of 6 and plus. It's a very durable game made out of all-weather materials, so you can play it either indoor or outdoor. It's quite large, as you can see here. It does stand about 42 inches in height. It's compact, and it does fold up for convenient storage. Now, this game is an interactive game, has lights, has sound, super fun. Great for everyone. Now, keep in mind, friends, this game also includes digital game cards with over 100 products to price, which is great. We have so many more games here at the warehouse, as you can see, but this one particular right in front of us is $94.99. And to my left, in the number 2 spot, another awesome game. This time from Backyard Hero, we have the official size cornhole set. You get 2 boards, you get the bags, everything you need to play. Everything's official size. ACA regulations are 4 feet by 2 feet. Great for the ages of 14 plus. Now, this set is pretty amazing at this price point. And let's get a nice close-up shot of this board. Let's check out that build. Supposedly, they do use a premium handcrafted New Zealand pine wood for the frame and legs, 3/4 of an inch thick. So let's take a look at that. We can see there. And the top layer, which is the faceboard, that's a 1/2 inch plywood, as you can see as well. Pretty nice finish. I do like it, especially for the price. Not bad at $99.99. I do provide the item number in the bottom right-hand corner. If you want to grab that item number, you can look it up at the Costco app, or you can call your local warehouse. And to my left, one more time, this time in the number 3 spot from Penn, we have their Premium Easy Badminton set here. Now, this set is pretty awesome. Now, I haven't seen one in such a long time, but what I love about this set, everything you need is included right in the box, which is awesome. It's ideal for backyards, parks, beaches. It's a complete game setup. Official size one-piece rackets are included, which I love as well. Now, they do have one on display here, which does look pretty awesome. Now, the base on it is great. It's made out of a durable steel. Quick, easy setup, which I love. Now, they do give you 4 rackets, which is another plus. Now, here at the warehouse, this is a pretty good price for this entire package, $54.99, and it only weighs about 8 pounds. We also have the kites available right in front of us. Don't forget about the axe throwing game. And at the far end, we have the Connect 4. We've gone over these games a few times. I don't want to bore you and go over them again. Also, this weekend, we're going to announce a new giveaway. That's going to be on my Amazon video for the best deals of the week. So don't forget about that. In the number 4 spot, this time from Sunday, we have the retractable garden hose reel. Now, this reel does include 98 feet of length of garden hose. You pull it out to the desired length, and it has a lock-in mechanism that will lock it into place, which is great. Also, the mounting brackets are included, which is nice. They do allow the system to swivel 180 degrees, which is another plus. Has a slow rewind function that makes the hose nice and safe when you rewind. That way it doesn't go out of control and hurt someone. Now, here it is on display at the warehouse. You can pick it up for $149.99. And then right below me in the number 5 spot from Suncast, we have their Smart Tube Hose Hideaway. Now, this hideaway can hold up to 150 feet of length of hose. That's 5/8 of an inch thick. Now, what's nice about this hideaway, has a nice handle. It's telescopic handle, so you can pull the handle out almost like a luggage case. Has wheels on the bottom, just in case you want to move it around out of the place. You don't have to pick it up and break your back. Now, no assembly is required. Has brass connections, but for the price, is still quite expensive in my opinion. Has that faux wood design, but here it is at the warehouse. You can pick it up here for $79.99. You also can grab it at Costco.com for $10 more. So for our next giveaway, friends, I was thinking I'll let you decide which item we should do as our giveaway. We have 2 items to choose from. We have the Fantic Pro Bundle Set, which is pretty awesome, and we also have the NutriBullet Ultimate Blender. So these are the 2 items. The comment with the most likes, that's the item we'll announce as our next giveaway. That will be announced this Saturday or Sunday on my next Amazon video. In the number 6 spot, this time from Kirkland Signature, we have their new mini muffin bites. Now, these are chocolate chip flavor. We have 20 pouches per box. Each pouch has 4 little mini muffins. These have no artificial flavors, no colors, no high fructose corn syrup. Now, they're also made in a peanut-free bakery for those of you who have allergies. 190 calories per pouch, 26 grams of carbs, 16 grams of added sugar, and 2 grams of protein. Now you can pick these up at Costco for $8.79. And once again, back in stock, a fan favorite here at Costco. We have the super popular cooling comforters in the number 7 spot. At one moment, these were very popular. We have the queen size and we also have the king size available. These are 180 GSM. They have a beautiful quilted pattern design to them. Now these are 90% nylon, 10% spandex cover, and I do believe they're 100% polyester fill. Now here at Costco, we have a couple of different colors to choose from, but the queen size right in front of us is $42.99. If you do want the king size, they have that available to my right for $10 more at $52.99. On the other side of the comforter, we have the Henkel's cookware set back in stock again. We have their Legacy. This is their 12-piece tri-ply stainless steel cookware set. Now, me personally, I love it. I'm about to remodel my kitchen, and this is a cookware set I'm going to pick up. Now, it's a 12-piece set. I like the lids. I like the handles. I like the set. I even love the price, even though it's not on sale. Now, the lids have the strainers built into them. It's oven safe and broiler safe up to 600 degrees, which is great. Now, if you love to cook and you love to eat, definitely learn how to cook with stainless steel. Once you learn the technique, you'll never look back. You'll never buy yourself a non-stick pan again. It's awesome. The food tastes better. Your vegetables taste better. Your steaks taste better. Definitely learn how to cook with stainless steel. Pick yourself up a cheap 8-inch pan. Learn how to cook eggs, and then you'll never look back. $249.99. And what's a Costco video without a new floor mat? In the number 9, we have the spring collection doormats here. We have the flowers and we have the welcome sign. Now these doormats are 24 by 36. They're made out of recycled materials. They're also made in the United States. Now they look pretty great, not bad for $9.99. Everyone loves to change out their doormats. A great price at $9.99. They're definitely going to drop as usual. So to my right, we have another floor mat. Let's check that one out instead. And now from Town and Country Living, we have their Comfort Gel kitchen mats. Now these mats are 20 by 42 inches in length. They have made it out of a nice durable polyurethane material. They have that gel layer for added comfort. They have 3 different patterns to choose from. They're super easy to care for. Just wipe them clean and you're good to go. Now they do have a non-skid backing, which is awesome. Also, right at the corner of the mats or the edge of the mats, they're beveled. So when you step onto them, you don't trip and fall over, which is great. A nice safety feature, $16.99. In the number 11 spot from Medea, we have their Smart 50 Pint Dehumidifier. Now this does have a built-in pump, which is great. It's app and voice control, which is pretty awesome as well. You can control it from anywhere with the app, from Medea's app. That's pretty awesome. So it has that built-in pump. That way it continuously drain and upwards towards a sink or out a window. That's another nice feature. Good to have, especially for those of you who forget to empty it. So that's another nice feature. So I like that. It's Energy Star certified for up to 4,500 square feet. You can pick it up here now for $169.99. If you are new to the channel, friends, and you are enjoying today's video so far, make sure you subscribe. Why not? We are a new channel, so we do need all the support we can get. If you want to support us even further because you are already subscribed, make sure you just hit that thumbs up button at the end of the video, in the middle of the video, anytime during the video. I would very much appreciate it. And this time, in the number 12 spot, we have the Build-A-Board from Sabatea. This is their bamboo serving board with a lock-in lid. Now, it is 11 by 14 inches. It's dishwasher safe. It's refrigerator safe. It's also BPA free. So here it is on display. Now, I wasn't impressed with the quality of it. I thought the lid was a little bit flimsy for the price tag. It does have that lock-in lid design, which is okay. But here it is, $19.99. Maybe for $10 I would consider it, but definitely not $20. In the number 12 spot, this time from NutriBullet, we have their Pro Plus blender. Now their older blender went on clearance here at Costco. If you've been watching my videos the past couple of weeks, those blenders were on clearance. They were liquidated in them to bring in their new arrival, their Pro Plus. Now this blender is matte black. It's very powerful at 1,200 watts, has a pre-programmed pulse cycle, which is also great. Now you can pick up this blender for $99.99. In the number 14 spot, this time from Clever Made, we have their foldable tote bags. Now we do have one on display. Now this tote bag has wheels on the bottom, which is nice, has multiple handles, easy for carrying or rolling. Also has a 90-liter capacity, and it can hold up to 75 pounds, which is great. But check out this material. Reminds me of those IKEA bags that you can buy for $1 at IKEA. The only difference is this has wheels on the bottom. Now it does fold down for easy storage, which is great. That's convenient. But check out this price, $34.99 for this bag. No way. Let me lift it up so we can take a closer look at the wheels. Maybe the wheels are high quality. That's why it's expensive. Nope. Those wheels are ridiculous. $35 for this bag? I don't think so. But anyways, let's move on to the next item, friends. Hopefully it'll be a lot better. And let's just take a quick walk down the bed and bath aisle. We did get a few new bath towels available, so let's take a look at those very quickly. So right in front of us on Pure Indulgent, we have their bath towels. Now these are 30 by 58 inches. Now what I love about these bath towels, they're 100% cotton, always the way to go. $6.99. They are a little bit on the pricier side, but hopefully they do drop when Costco's coupon book does arrive this month. And then to my left from Hotel Signature, we have their Egyptian cotton 400 thread count 6-piece sheet set. We have a queen size and we also have king size available. Queen size $39.99 and the king size to my left is $10 more at $49.99. If you're looking for something organic, we have that covered. From Purely, we have their organic sheet set as well. This is a 6-piece. This is from 100% Turkish organic cotton. So this is another great option to pick up if that does interest you. The queen size, $29.99. The king size also available for $10 more at $39.99. And then right in front of me from South Point, we have the twin size and we have the full bed sheets. So we do have a few different patterns available. Now these bed sheets are inexpensive. They're a 4-piece sheet set, microfiber, $12.99, great price. To my left, they have the king and the queen at $21.99. Now you can choose between either or, the twin and the full, same price, $12.99. In the number 19 spot, this time from Little Giant, we have their Mega Light Plus here. Now this does have 18 feet in reach, has a 300-pound weight capacity. Now we can see here we have two different models on display. To my right, we do have the older model. So if you have that at your local warehouse, you may want to hold off and wait till the older model does drop on clearance. Now I do believe it will drop on clearance by the end of the month. This one right in front of us, the new model, is $199.99. And just down the aisle in the number 20 spot, we do have the deluxe memory foam seat cushions. Now these cushions are pretty decent. They're designed to provide relief for your back, for your tailbone. If you sit down a lot, you got bad hips, you may want to check this out. If you have SI joint problems, another great plus here. This does provide support. You could use it in your car, your home, your office. It's just a little bit extra support. Has a non-slip backing, has a washable fabric material. It's actually on sale currently, $7 off, $27.99. And now from Chemical Guys, we have their 12-piece car wash bucket kit. Now this bucket kit does include the 5-gallon bucket. The lid's also included. Has the Mr. Pink shampoo, has a microfiber wash mitt, a microfiber towel, a tire brush, an interior cleaner and protector as well. Has a citrus gel wheel cleaner, which is great. What else does it have? A dirt trap, a 3-piece air freshener, and that's pretty much it. You can pick this bucket up for $49.99. And if you don't want this huge bucket, you just need some soap to wash your car. Right here in front of us from Armor All, we have our Snow Foam car wash soap. Now you can use this soap for hand wash, or you can put it in the foam cannon if you have one. It does have hydrating agents. That way it helps the suds last longer. You can pick up 1 gallon for $13.99. In the number 9 spot, this time from Alpine Mountain, we have their percolator. Now, I do own a percolator. I just bought one a little while ago, maybe, I don't know, 2-3 months ago. I liked it in the beginning. It's kind of, I don't know, you got to get used to making the coffee with it. It does a pretty decent job. If you have gas or an electric stove, it's fine. You can do it on the barbecue grill. You can do it on some hot charcoal if you're camping. It's pretty nice. Now, this kit does come with 4 stainless steel mugs, which is great. Pretty nice kit here. A little bit, I don't know, maybe overpriced. I think I bought mine on Amazon for like $25, just a percolator. So this one you can pick up for $52.99. And finally, Costco has brought back the Duracell lantern. Now this lantern is super powerful at 3,000 lumens. It's tri-power, so that means it has 3 different power sources. Now it is rechargeable. It has a rechargeable built-in battery, or you can use D batteries. Also, it does have up to a 50-day runtime because the third option is solar power, which is pretty incredible. Also has Qi charging capabilities, which is awesome as well. Very nice lantern. You can pick it up here for only $26.99. In the number 25 spot, Costco has brought in their new Cascade double hammock here, or dual person hammock. Now last year this went on clearance for such a long time. I'm expecting the same here. I'm surprised they brought these back. So here they have it. This time it's green this year. Last year it was blue. So these are currently, the price is not bad at all. If you do want to pick it up, but it definitely is going to drop in price. $22.99 for their 2-person travel hammock. We have so many new arrivals here at Costco. I am going to break this up into a 2-part video. So next week I will post another new arrival. But right in front of me, we have a new Lego kit that we do have to go over before we end the video. So let's take a look at this very quickly. A lot of new Squishmallows also available. In the number 26 spot, this time from Star Wars, we have the Grogu in the pram set. Now this was the hover pram set. Now I do like it when Costco puts the Lego on display. I wonder who does that job. That's a pretty cool job. So this is great for the ages of 10 plus, 1,048 pieces, a great set to build. A little bit on the pricier side, but Costco does have the best prices when it comes to Legos. Legos margins are very minimal. If you see $10 off, that's a great discount. $79.99. Alright friends, ending the video here. If you did enjoy today's video and you do enjoy this type of content, once again, make sure you subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to leave a comment below on the next giveaway item we should choose. Don't forget about that. If you enjoyed today's video, friends, leave a comment, hit that like button. Hopefully you enjoyed today's video. We are going to do a part 2 next week, so stay tuned for that. Tomorrow, we got the clearance video, Costco's Clearance Fridays. Stay tuned for that tomorrow, friends. I'll see you tomorrow. Peace.